Florence Nightingale was a nurse who saved many lives in the 19th century. She was named after the city of Florence in Italy, where her parents went after they got married in 1818. Her family was rich and they had two homes in Britain, as well as servants. Florence was an unusual young woman for her time because she didn't want to go to parties and get married. She wanted to be a nurse and help people. Her family didn't want her to become a nurse because hospitals back then were dirty and horrible places. They were worried about her. In 1851, Florence went to Germany and learned all about nursing. It was hard work, but she loved it. In 1854, lots of soldiers went to fight in the Crimean War. Army hospitals were filled with injured men, but there were no nurses and many men died. Florence and a team of nurses went to help. Florence worked 20 hours a day to make the army hospital a cleaner and safer place. She brought the men fresh food, she cleaned the hospital beds, and she used clean bandages on the wounded soldiers. Soon, fewer men were dying. At night, Florence walked around the hospital and she talked to the injured soldiers and helped the men to write letters to their families. She carried a lamp and the soldiers called her the lady with the lamp. When Florence returned to England, people call her a heroine because of her amazing work in the Crimean War. Queen Victoria wrote her a letter to say thank you. She continued to work hard in Britain to improve hospitals, and she was given a medal called the Order of Merit. She was the first woman to receive this honor.
I solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly
to pass my life in purity
and to practice my profession faithfully.
I will abstain from whatever is deleterious or mischievous,
and will not take or knowingly administer any harmful drug.
I will do all in my power to maintain
and elevate the standard of my profession,
and I will hold the confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping,
and all family affairs coming to my knowledge and the practice of my calling.
With loyalty will I endeavor to, and the physician in his work,
and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. I am Kabusog Ezra.
I am Kalanaw Nicole Andy.
I am Aliviado Sonia.
I am Amores Jenico.
I am Ampon Bianca Claire.
I am Ares Nina Julian Maximo.
I am Arangas Liana Nicole.
I am Bakya Michael.
Juhani.
I am Vitaly Bueno Victor.
I am Bugtay Kit Earl.
And I am a Nightingale.
And I am a Nightingale.
And I am Nightingale.
I am a Nightingale.
I am a Nightingale.
Am a Nightingale.
And I 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 am a Nightingale.
We
We are Nightingales.